Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the example 2 of transaction in Java. In my last tutorial I have did the project in sales in transaction, right? This tutorial I am going to teach the banking project, right? Simple account to account transaction doing by the transaction in Java, right? Transaction has two parts: roll back and commit, right? If the transaction is successful, it will transaction commit. If the transaction is unsuccessful, it is rollback, right? It is rollback, right? Okay, now let's see the example. This is the account to account transaction. One account, you have to send this account to account 1 to account 2. What is the amount you are transferring? Here you have to enter the amount, click transfer. Here I am going to, this is a simple example here I have created. This is the account 1 order, this is the account order table. It has two accounts, account A001 and A002, right? This is the balance available. So let's see. Okay, now I am going to transfer the amount A0002 to A0001. Here you have to enter the amount which you want to transfer, right? I am going to enter as 10,000, right? So 10,000, click transfer. Transaction executed successfully. Now if you refresh it here, okay, here it is detected here. Now it works successfully, right? Now here I am going to make another transaction, right? A00001 to A0002, I have put only 10,000, right? Click here, send a key. Now you can here it's working successfully. Okay, it is incremented, here decremented, right? It's working successfully, right? Now you can check the transfer table. This is a transfer table. How many amount here? This first one, this second one. Okay, this is a transfer table, right? These are the, you have to create the two various table. I have created the simple database SAM bank. It has two tables, account holder table and transfer table. This is the account holder table, right? Here there is the account holder table. It has ID, account ID and balance, right? This is account holder ID and balance, right? Another table, transfer table, as these are the amount, right? If account mean from account, which to account mean to account, right? This amount, which amount you are going to transfer, right? This is simple columns you have to add into the table, right? Transfer table, right? SM bank consists of two major tables, right? Now let's start my project, right? So first what I am going to do is here I am going to go to the file, new. Here I am going to Java application. Next, if it is check main class, we have to uncheck it. Here I am going to here, I have to write here is bank transfer, banks transaction, transfer. I just put the name as transfer, banks transaction. Create the project name bank transaction, finish. Like your project has been created successfully with the name of bank transaction, right? Here you have a bank transaction table consists of two tables, two folders, source package and libraries. So here we have to, this one we don't need it, we have to write. Now source package folder, we have to expand this one. There will be default package there. I am going to create the new package, right? So how to create is select the package, right click, new, Java package. You have to create here as bank transaction, TRAN, right? I just create as like this, right? Click finish. Now your project new package has been created successfully with the name of bank TRN. Select the package, right click, new, JFrame from, you have to write bank. I just create as bank. Class name I am going to create as bank, right? Click finish, right? Now your new frame has been created successfully. Now just we have to increase size a little bit like this, right? Now here we have to make the heading. So go to the palette, drag one label. This one we have to write here as account to account transaction, account to account transaction, so write like this property, right? Now select the heading, right click, properties, font property, select this one with bold. Here have to write as 14, click OK. If you want to increase little bit, we have to 18 is possible, right? Perfect. Right. Another stuff, we need a panel. Drag one panel from the palette here. Here we have to drag one, right click, okay. Select this one, right click, properties. For background, soft bevel border, this one, okay, perfect. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, we have to add the relevant fields. Drag the labels. So labels. This one should be account 1. This one should be account 2. This one should be the amount, which amount you are going to transfer. You have to enter all the stuff here, right? After that, we have to drag 3 text fields. Perfect. Now we add the buttons. This one should be the transfer. Right click, edit, you have to write it transfer. I have to put any name, I just put as transfer, but name as, right? The simple one, right? Now select the frame, right click, properties, code, generate center. When the project is run, it should be generated at the center here. It generated at the center, right? Now I have to remove the existing text here. We have to name the text box, right? This one, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. Select again, right click, change variable, txt azz1, account 1, click OK. Select this one, right click, edit text, backspace to remove it. Select again, change variable, sorry, not this, text box. Select the text box, change variable, txt A002. Select this again, edit text, backspace to remove. Select again, change variable, txt amount. Click OK. Right. We change it successfully. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, in order to connect MySQL and NetBeans, you have to download the appropriate driver for that, right? So how to download the driver is, so go to the Google, you have to type MySQL connector for Java, right? If you type MySQL connector Java, this is the first link, div mysql.this one. Click on this one. This goes to the appropriate website for download the driver. This is the website which you want to download. Here come down, there is the platform independent, this one, MySQL connector Java zip. You have to click on the right side. There will be the button called download. Click on this one. It goes to the various website for download. Here you no need to log in or sign up. You just click on below. No thanks, just start my download. If you click on this one, your download has been started below. At this time I am not going to download because I already downloaded, right? You must download it, right? So right click and cancel it. After I download this MySQL connector for Java, I have put into my E drive, right? So let's go to the E drive. Right here, E drive here. After download, it look like this. MySQL connector Java. This one, right? MySQL connector Java. After downloaded, it come file become a zip file. After extract them, it's come as a normal folder. Look like this. If you double click and open it, here these two files we have to include into my libraries, right? MySQL connector beans, right? So what I'm going to do is go here. We have to, this one should be the libraries, right? This is your project bank transaction. Your project folder consists of source, package and libraries. Select the library folder, right click, add jar folder. You have to import this thing, right? Where you down, this is the E drive. Your MySQL connector is reside on the E drive. You have to select the appropriate folder, or down the control key down and select both, open it. It's added successfully here. Perfect, right? It's working perfect. Now what I'm going to do is go to the source. We have to add it here. First you have to write connection You have to get the connection one. After that, prepare statement PST. This one you have to add it as a SQL connection. This one as a prepare statement. Right. Perfect. After that, we have write. You have to here. You have write. First, we have to establish a database connection here. Right. So how to write the database connection? You have to create the method public void connect. Right. Here you have to add the database connection here. Right. Your database. First, you have to register the driver. Mysql driver you have to register. How to register is class dot for name. You have to register driver com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. You have to register like this. Right. Perfect. You have to, this is not error. You have to import as a this form catch. Try and catch. It is generated automatically like this. Right. After that, we have to add the connection object con equal driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to write path jdbc colon mysql. You have to write localhost. You have to write here. What is the database name? You have to write here. Database name is SamBank. Right. You have to write SamBank. Right. Username you have to write here is root. So username root. Password you have to write here as a blank. You have to write a blank password like this. Perfect. This is the thing you have to do. Now you have to import the catch also here. Right. Perfect. Right. This is the database name. Right. This is the MySQL login username and password. Right. Default when you install the XAMPP server in your machine, default username is root. Password is blank. Right. You must understand this stuff well. Right. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here. Now here go to the design here. I am going to write this transfer code. Right. How to do the account transaction. Right. So select this one. Right click. Event action perform. Here you have simply write inside the button. We have only one things. Right. So we have to write here. First you have to write this text boxes we are assigned to the relevant variables. So we have to write string acc1 this account 1 equal txt acc1 dot get text. Second one string a0002 equal txt acc2 dot get text. Right. Okay. Finally, we have to write third one should be the string amount equal txt amount dot get text. Right. We have to equal successfully. Now what I am going to do is here. First, this is a connection object. We have to write the transaction. So we have to write connection dot. We have to write set auto commit false. You have to set first time false. Right. Okay. First we have to write the sender part. Here we have to import the try catch block. Right. Here we have to write first sender part. Right. The sender. Right. First you have to write PST. Prepare statement. I have created only one prepare statement here. We have to create three. First control C copy, control V to paste second, third. Right. 1, 2. Right. 1 is okay. Okay. Right. First one PST equal connection dot prepare statement. Here we have to write update codes. Right. First we have to update the account. Right. First update. Which table you are going to update the record? Account holder table. If you transfer the balance, we have to update the tables, right? That's the thing we have to do. So we have to write update. We have to write account holder. It's a table name. Account holder. Set which column you need to update? Balance table. So you have to write balance equal balance minus you have to write like this, where account ID, ACC ID equal question mark. Right, you have to write like this. Right, you have to write like this. You have to write here pst dot set string 1 dot, first one should be the amount. This is the amount, which amount you have to, this one amount, you have to control C copy, control V to paste. What is the amount you have to, that is the first amount you have to go here. And you have to put minus, mean it is okay. This is the minus, right? Which account you are sending, it is should be minus from account sender account minus. After that we have to provide the account number. So pst set string, this is account 1, this one, okay. So you write here number 2 mean account 1, this is account 1, sender account, okay, sender account 1, right? It goes here, right? After that you write pst dot execute query, execute update, it's called execute update, execute update, right? You write like this, right? Perfect. Sender account, the receiver account, second one, so the receiver. Here you have to control C to copy, control V to paste below. This one should be pst1. Right. Here update account order set balance. Here we have to receiver account, we have to create the account. You have to create plus, right? You have to create plus account ID. Here this one should be the receiver account 2, right? What is the amount? It is should be here, you have to update that plus, right? So what is the amount? Current account amount available, balance available, plus mean what is the amount you are here, you have to get what is the amount, get it here, it should be plus. What is the amount, balance is there, what is the amount you are getting here, it is minus. This is center, it is a receiver. After that we have to save another table, that should be the transfer table, right? This is transfer table. So we have to go to the transfer table. This is transfer table. The transfer table. What is the transaction there? Okay, so that we have from account to account, right? So this one should be the insert query. So we have to get the another prepare statement, pst2. You write here pst2 equal connection dot prepare statement. Here we have to write insert query, insert into transfer table, transfer. You have to specify the column name from account, if account, comma to account, comma amount. You write here values, you write a question mark, 1 2 3, so you write 3 questions mark, right? Okay, now what I am going to do is, after that pst2 dot set string, this one should be first one, this one should be account 1. Control C to copy, control account 1, control same thing, control C to copy, control to paste here, right? Account 1, this is the insert query for that. Account 1, this is an account 2, second one should be account 2, third one should be the amount. This is the insert query for that. It is should be the transfer table, right? It should be decided on the transfer table, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? It's account, right? What's the amount there? It is insert here. 3 question mark are there, 3 data here, right? Finally, you are right. pst2 prepare statement 2 here. pst2 dot execute update. Let's call it execute update here, right? Thing you have to write. Okay. Now after that, this one should be the transfer table, transfer. you have to comment like this. Simply you have to understand the stuff. Okay, for learning purpose, very simple one. Because we have to do this time three transactions. Okay, here. Okay, at my last example we saw only 2 transactions. Here 3 transactions are there. Okay, these 3 transactions should be successfully, then only roll commit, otherwise roll back. So you have to understand the stuff. Okay, if it is one is executed successfully, other transaction is executed fail, it should be roll back. Right, 3 transactions should be successfully, then only roll commit. Okay, this is the essential way to do the records. Right. So after that, what I am going to do is here, all the stuff are correct. After that, we have to do another stuff is we have to write another prepare statement. Here we have to select the balance also. Control C to copy, Control V to paste the third one. Right. We did the 4th prepare statement. We have to check the balance. Okay, so we have to write another prepare statement here. Same thing, you have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Right, we have to, this is a balance check. This third one, you have to select query here. Select balance. You have to check the update balance. From which balance is account holder table, where account ID, this is a center ID, account ID equal, so account ID this one. So here we have to write, here account ID we have to write PST3 is reverse 3 dot set string. We have to check the first one should be the account 1. This is the sender, we have to check the sender account if it is minus or not. Right, we have to check. Right, so this one. So here, okay, we have to check here. Here also we have to write. After that, you have to write here result set. You have to write result set rs equal pst3 dot execute query. You have to write here is rs dot next. So you have to write if rs dot next, sorry, you have to write here, this one should be the rs dot get float. The balance you have to check, it is 1 means this one, it's only 1. Here we have to mine less than 0. It is less than 0 mean you have to write get int, not float. This one should be the, I have balance I have to wrote here is, this is a structure. Here this is a balance amount should be int. Right, so this is account. Right, account holder table, or the account holder table, this is account holder table, this is structure. We have to create a structure. Okay, balance should be float. Data type should be float. I design here. So here we have to write get float. Here we have to write here. We have to check if it is not updated anything else. First we have to write con dot rollback j option pan dot show message. This dot we have to write here is transaction failed. Transaction failed. Otherwise, we have to write here. Sorry, transaction failed. Otherwise, you have to write else part. You have to write transaction successful. Same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. This one should be the transaction success. Connection dot commit. Commit means success. Dot commit. This commit. Right. That's the thing. We have to. Very simple stuff. After done all the stuff, we have to clear the text box. It is simple stuff. Here we have to write the separate method for that. It's very easy stuff to do the task. You have to write the separate method here. Simply you have to write the method void. Simply you have to write void clear. What are the text boxes you have to clear? You have to mention here. Sorry. First one should be clear. txt acc1 acc2 amount. So you write txt acc1 dot setx clear. After that, same thing, convert C to copy, convert B to paste. So 2 dot clear, third txt amount clear. Right. After all the stuff are clear, should be focused on setx. Sorry, request focus. Right. This method, after done that successfully, we have to call it here. The method you have to call it here. Also, all the things are successfully, we have to put it here. Call it here. Right. Finally, you have to call it here. So fine. Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right. The 3 transactions are successfully only roll. This one transaction success. Otherwise, if it is one fails, transaction fail. Okay. This how we have to, when you write the 3 different query for insert or update all the stuff, you have to put it the transaction. Okay, this is the efficient way to write the record, right? So let's check it. Account 1, you have to check the balance and everything. A001, A002. Now the current balance is 30,000, 50,000, right? I have to A0001 to A0002 to transfer as 20,000. Transfer. What is the problem? Null point exception. Right, the problem is, what is the problem is here, the connection method, we didn't call it convert C to copy, you are paste it inside the initial components, because the connection is not there, loaded. The database connection is not loaded, that's why that came error. Okay, this connection, when the form is loaded, the connection should be loaded, you have to put into inside the constructor, the constructor of the class, right? So now let's close it, now let's execute again. Right, what's the problem? What's the error? Error is here. Here also I have MySQL. What's the error? Okay, here the error is here. MySQL, you have to put it here. There's error. Now let's execute it. Now it's working perfectly. Now here first I am going to A0001 to A0002. We have to sending the 20,000. Click transfer. Transaction success. Now let's check. Here you can check here. Free browse. 20,000, 10,000, it's added 20 here, right? If you go through the transaction transfer table here, A0, this is from account to account, 20 credited, right? Perfect, right? This is how you have to do the transactions, right? You have to efficient way to put it to this transaction rollback and commit, right? I hope you guys you understood the difference between the rollback and commit. This is a transaction, how to work with the transaction in Java. I already taught in my previous tutorial also this stuff. Those who not watch my previous tutorial, you must watch it. You have to learn another example as well. I hope you understand the transaction well. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.